Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your iPad model and iPad OS. This matters because eye tracking needs specific hardware and OS features. Once done, open Settings, go to Accessibility and enable eye tracking. This activates the pipeline. Connect any required external tracker or make sure Face ID camera is unobstructed. Otherwise, tracking will be inconsistent. You should also position yourself about 40-60 cm from the screen, steady your head, and dim harsh backlight so the camera reads gaze reliably. Now you calibrate so the system knows where you look. Start the calibration sequence and follow the dots slowly and accurately. Once complete, customize settings. Reduce dwell time for faster selection, increase pointer smoothing to avoid jitter, and set pointer size for visibility. Then link gaze actions to functions. Tap on Look, drag with blink, or activate switch control, because matching controls to your workflow reduces fatigue. Make small tweaks, test for a few minutes, and repeat calibration if accuracy drops. You finish by practicing daily tasks. Open apps, select items, and type with the iPad keyboard using gaze-assisted input, because practice builds speed and confidence. If tracking drifts or stops, recalibrate first, then restart the iPad, clean the camera area, and adjust lighting. These steps resolve most issues. Finally, save your customized profile, note effective dwell and smoothing values, and backup settings. If problems persist, contact support with device model and iPadOS version so they can reproduce the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.